Google and Disney are ending business relationships with YouTube superstar Felix Schellberg, better known as PewDiePie, after he posted multiple videos that featured anti-Semitism and Nazi imagery on his YouTube channel. The 27-year-old Swedish-born video star has YouTube's most subscribed channel, with 53 million subscribers. In a video from January 11th, he paid two men to hold up an anti-Semitic sign. In another video, he paid a man to dress like Jesus and talk in support of Hitler. The Wall Street Journal found 9 videos that included such anti-Semitic jokes and Nazi imagery. The YouTube star had a business partnership with Disney's Maker Studios, and when the Journal reached Disney for comment, the company said it was severing ties with Schellberg, and a spokeswoman said, quote, "Although Felix has created a following by being provocative and irreverent, he clearly went too far in this case, and the resulting videos are inappropriate." After the videos gained widespread attention, YouTube canceled the second season of PewDiePie's reality show and pulled his channel from its premium ad revenue program. His channel will still be making money from traditional YouTube display ads. In these controversial videos, Schellberg did not outright endorse anti-Semitic ideas. He has since insisted he does not support any kind of hateful attitudes and that he was doing it to highlight the absurdity of services like Fiverr, where you could pay someone $5 to say anything. PewDiePie became popular for making videos of himself playing video games, and he's known for crude humor. He reportedly earned about $14.5 million last year from his videos. For more on the story as it develops, head to CNET.com.